Hey, welcome back friends. In previous video we have successfully downloaded XAMPP server and admin dashboard, and we have successfully installed XAMPP server in our machine. Now we need a code editor for coding. So which code editor we are going to download? We are using to Visual Code editor for coding. So let's open our browser, and on Google we can search Visual Studio Code, but we can write in short VSCODE. Okay, and this is the official website of Visual Studio Code. You can see here code.visualstudio.com. we can open the first link, and you can see and you can read about it from its official website. And you can see here version 1.72 is now available. Read about the new features and fixes from September. So here we have the installer for Windows, and if we click on this button you can see the installer for others platform like Mac OS and Windows and for Linux. So we are using here Windows 11. We can download by clicking on this button. If you are using Mac OS you can download from this button, and if you are using Linux you can download from here. So let's click on download for Windows, and the download is begin. So the setup is 82.1 MB. It will take some time for downloading, so let's wait. So the VS Code setup is downloaded successful. Now let's open and click on show in folder, and you can see here the setup. Let's copy, right click and let's copy and let's paste on our desktop. Okay, right click, show more option, and let's paste here. Okay, now you can see here the installer of VS Code. One thing more I want to say to you, you can use any editor like Sublime, Notepad++, Bracket in this race, but I suggest to you you should use VS Code with me. Okay, let's install in our computer. By double clicking it will start to install. So first we need to accept the agreement. Click on next. You can see here, or you can change the directory where you want to install the setup. I am going to install this VS Code in my C drive, so click next and next. Create a desktop icon, check this checkbox, click on next and click on install. Now let's finish. Perfect. So we can choose the theme from here. We are going to use dark theme, and let's maximize this window and cut this, get a started page, and we can create new page from here. New text file, new window, open file. We can open the folder, we can open recent projects from here. Okay, and you can see here lots of options. I will tell you one by one when we will write the code. Okay, and you can read about it from here, about the version. You can see here, you can read about it here. Okay, and we can manage the extension from here. We can search the extensions. We can see the installed extensions here. Okay, recommended extensions. Okay, we will install also extensions in next videos. So this is enough. In this video we have learned how can we download and install VS Code in our machine. So I hope you got this. If you have any problem you can ask me the question. From the next video we will create our project folder in our XAMPP directory, and we will create and we will copy our admin dashboard files in our project folder. Then in further videos we will create database for our application. So Bye bye, see you in next video.